It's Hiker Dude Dad, starting my second hike of my Appalachian Trail, Pennsylvania. Starting my second section hike here at the Pine Grove Furnace General Store. The trail is right out here in front. We're going to take this about 9 miles up to Mount Holly Springs area, where Route 34 crosses the trail. Jay's here with me today. We're gonna make a stop, a little side trek to Steeple, one of our favorite lookouts again. Yeah, hope to get up there and wrap everything up by 3 o'clock. It is 8 a.m. It is a crisp morning. It is January 15th. It's Fun Day Friday. Let's do this. So we're just about off the paved path here in Pine Grove Furnace. Big piney mountain is behind these trees, and that's our first big climb for today. Eventually go straight here and stay on the trail, but we are going to take a little a 1 mile round trip up to Steeple. So I'll go climb some more and follow this Blue Blaze side trail for an awesome view, although it's very foggy cloudy today, so we'll see what we get. Forgive my huffing and puffing, but we're at Steeple. Coming up through the rocks. Oh man, awesome. A little cloudier than the last time we were here, but I'll take it. Over here at the other side, which I think is even better, honestly. So we were just over there for the first shot, but yeah, it's over here. Got a Laurel Lake down there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, Laurel Lake down there, about half ice covered. Not quite as clear a day as we had before, but pretty awesome. Definitely one of my top 3 overlooks in Pennsylvania so far. So, what do you got there?
Sheets beer.
Yeah?
Donut ale.
Donut ale, a donut cream ale from Sheets. Happy holidays. It is morning. What is it, like 9 o'clock?
No, I don't know.
9:30?
Feels right.
Something. So we're cracking our overlook beers. We each have one of those. And then on the way up, Jay said, hey, we should have brought donuts.
Oh,
Sheets Donuts.
It's a Steeple miracle.
How about it? Got a cup of donuts for each of us, and we each have our own holiday. Don't say I don't treat you well, man. Just enjoying this beer up on the pole with my donuts. Going to interrupt our Cobra Kai discussion here. Great show, by the way, because we are descending basically a rock field here. I think I swung off the track here. There we go. But yeah, this is finally the point where this trail looks a little more like Pennsylvania. Green lichen, boulders. Yeah, and
Ankle twisters are business.
in the book that I have at home, it says this is not the area to make up time, and they are absolutely right. It is, pardon me, on the treacherous side. So after leaving Pole Steeple, it's been uneventful. Passed a couple of campsites, and apparently back there was the summit of Mount Piney, not marked or anything, so looking at the map, I'm pretty sure we're past it. So at this point I think we're downhill most of the rest of the way. We're about 5 miles into the hike, including the Pole Steeple 1 mile, so I think we've got kind of a gradual downhill to where we left my car over the next 4 miles or so. We'll find a place for lunch, but lunchtime here, brought a couple beers to share. Got Uncanny Valley from Burlington up in Vermont, and Drift from one of our favorites, New Trail, Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Going off trail for a little bit here because I see some interesting rocks. And frankly, the second half of this hike's been pretty boring after Pole Steeple. Not a lot to look at or show you. So we're hoping maybe there's some kind of view up here. What do you got?
Fog.
Oh yeah, it's cloudy.
Best view we've had in a couple hours, though.
True. A lot of trees, though. Very full. A lot of sap.
Definitely wintertime view.
We're about 2 miles from the end, I guess, and all the good scenery and streams and everything were down at Pine Grove, and then the view from Pole Steeple. And then after that, I mean, it's just been walking on a wooded trail. So we're almost there. Almost done with section 2 here. But we definitely ran off trail for desperate for something to look at. I'm not getting in there. You get in there, you don't get out. There's probably like spikes in the bottom of it, right?
It puts the lotion on the skin.
That's weird. Those rocks we were just up on are over there, and then they look like a little kind of camping area, no fire ring, but then you go over here and it's like some kind of
Vietnamese death pit.
Covered Vietnamese jungle trap pit.
I mean, somebody's putting effort into this. They're trying to build a roof with moss.
I have no idea what to think of this, so gonna hit the old dusty trail again. Okay, so up this way we've got the former Tag Run shelter, presently the James Fry shelter. It's about a quarter mile that way. We don't really need shelter, so I don't think we're going to check it out. Next shelter ahead of us would be Alex Kennedy. Next shelter behind us, Tom's Run. So next shelter behind us was 11 miles before Pine Grove, and next shelter would be 8.3 miles ahead. It's a big kind of fire ring set up over there, lots of downed logs to sit on, a lot of potential hammock camping around here. Jay ran up ahead here. He hears water, so I'd imagine it's Tag Run. There's a bridge. The book that I have says not to take water from Tag Run because of fertilizer and stuff like that. Gut Hooks has people taking water out of Tag Run. Oh yeah, some animal prints down there, so they like it.
Hey Ryan, why did the cop cross the road?
I don't know, but he's doing it right now. We're crossing the road here. This is Green Mountain Road and Pine Grove Road. We were already on this road today. We took a car down to Pine Grove and we left one up here, so we're in the home stretch. We got about a mile left. So yeah, just about a mile to go here. I think we have to cross some train tracks, maybe another stream. All right, here's our last little stream crossing here. Less than a mile from the finish line. Alright. Definitely home stretch. We're a couple tenths of a mile away, crossing these tracks. I hear the road up there, see some cars. Jay likes railroad track pictures. I'm gonna walk in front of them. We're pretty much back. We're just gonna go hop in my car, drive back down to Pine Grove to Jay's car and drop him off there. Thanks for watching. This is hike 2 on my ATinPA 2021 adventure. Don't know when the next one is, but hopefully soon. Got a couple overnighters planned. Hey, if you can, please donate to the Cancer Research Institute. Link is below. I'm going to put the video up here also. Please donate. It's a very important cause for me. Kind of just dedicating all my work this year towards it. So appreciate that. And yeah, we're about done here. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.